How I build a predictable affiliate income without going viral. Guys, this is something that I spoke about over a month ago. Okay, it's mainly a traffic methodology that we're using, and it is in a way to build your cold email list. Okay, now I've said this continuously in the other video, and this is kind of a continuation of that other video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the description in the description of this video, the replay of this one for you guys to understand. In this video, I share with you how you can start to build your cold email list within less than $100 a month, specifically working. And I say $100 a month. Imagine the cost of business of if you setting this up to be less than $100 a month, rather than you paying for X amount of things that are just a waste of money sometimes. So I believe that this was worth it for me to set it up, build it, and I know that it's not going to bring me income immediately, but it's going to bring me income over time, and income that's going to build because of how it's set up. So the aim over here is to primarily build your email list. And then as you build your email list, you get paid for the clicks. I'm telling you this upfront. What is shared in this video is I build a predictable income because I get paid for the clicks that are coming in from this traffic that I send, or for how I'm building my list. People go to an email, they go before they enter the email address, they go to this page, they go to a thank you page, and then they get redirected to a product or service that I have and that I'm offering them. And then based on the clicks that I get to this offer, not the sales, the clicks, I get commissions. It's simple. Okay, I get commissions based on the clicks that I'm getting to this page. That is how I'm building it. And people who stay on this email list, because as the day goes by, or as a month's time goes by, I'm sending more traffic, and which means I'm building my email list up even more. And then I go take them through a nurturing sequence where ultimately they come to my warm list, just the people I want. That means 100 people could go through it, and then I build it up in such a way that maybe only 10 people go to my backend offer and now stay there. And then from those 10 people, maybe 2 or 3 actually buy. Understand these numbers, because this is not a fast strategy, but this is a strategy that's going to get you results on just your clicks. And the more you are able to monetize these things, guys, the higher paying offers, or rather the higher paying commissions that come in with affiliate marketing, are to do with just supporting. People already get into that mentality. So I hope this helps you. Anyway, Chris, you watch the video, check it out. And today, guys, I'm going to be answering a few questions that I got specifically from people who watch my videos. And I thank you guys for asking these questions, because it allows me to make more videos that help serve you guys more than anything else. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, but also leave a comment below. I can read them, answer them, and make sure that I also bring them up in future videos. So the first question that I got asked was, am I using a capture page or not to collect these leads? So this is the process which I want to reinforce. The way you can find this strategy is in the description of this video. Okay, all you need to do to find the strategy, all you need to do is get the mega link right here, which costs $7. Link to this page is going to be in the description, and you'll get taken to this page right here where you can go to the skill center. And as you can see in the skill center, if you click on mega link, you will be able to see the mega link trainings. One of the what we're talking about right here is a list building, TD pages, and Magick Link training. So you click here and you can start the training. This is when you have the $7 offer. This is what you can see. Now, in order for you to use this training, you need a couple of more things. Okay, so we'll take $7 out of the equation. You will need 1 TD pages, which costs you $17 every single month. You'll need TD pages. Again, how can you find TD pages? You can find TD pages right here. If you go to products, my products right here. Sorry, not my products. I made a mistake, guys. My apologies. You go to Megalink boosters, okay, and Megalink boosters right here. If you scroll down, you'll see TD pages. You click over here on TD pages, and it'll take you to this page right here, and you'll be able to get TD pages. Or if you want to directly get it, and while we're talking about it on this video, in the link in the description, I've left a link right here. You click here to get access. You'll basically be taken to this page and you can buy TD pages right here. As I said, it costs you $17. Okay. At the time of when I'm shooting this video, the price could go up. Right now, it's $17 for the monthly, and the annual is 97. Okay. So these are the two available. Anyway, this page doesn't give you only the builder. So remember I said it costs you less than 100. Let's say you're getting this, which is $17. Okay. Plus we are going to take an email provider. So we'll take Aweber, for example, which costs $19 for you guys, or I believe it's actually, yeah, around $19 to have everything set up correctly. And then you would have, or even just for, use case purposes, let's say $30. Okay. Just to give you a little higher end aspect of it. And then we'll also take the traffic rotator, which costs 47. Overall, it's less than 100, about 94, and you can actually do everything that I'm talking about right here. Okay, so TD Pages is the first thing. As you guys can see right here, you get the TD Pages is basically has one purpose: to build you a landing page that collects an email address and takes you to a page. That's it. Okay, and then TD Pages basically takes me to it. I have a campaign right here. You can see right here I have this campaign, and I'm going to share with you how the results are so that you understand. And I believe it should be this one right here. Yeah. So you can see right here, I've got about 50% conversion, almost 50% conversion rate, which is really good to see. Okay, 77 conversions, 156 clicks, basically impressions on my page, and 77 conversions. Okay, so this is in the period, I believe, of 30 days. Not sure. I think it takes 30 days or 7 days. I'm not sure. I think 30 days. Any which ways, it's a good rate that's there. And the settings for this is basically it goes to a thank you page. Okay. So this page right here, let's preview it just for you guys to understand. Somebody comes to this page using the offer. They click their email address right here. They add their email address right here. Sorry, they click get access, and then they go to a thank you page. Okay. That is the offer. That's how you set things up. Now, the question that I got was, are you using a capture page for the Magick Link directly? Yes, I'm using a capture page that takes them directly to the Magick Link, not as an offer, but to the link rotator that has offers. And as those offers change, they get clicks. And as those offers get clicks, I get paid for the clicks that go to the offers. Hope that's clear. So this goes to a thank you page. In short, I'm going to actually edit it so that you guys understand. If you click here and see edit, you'll see that in the settings section right here, well, style, arrange, settings. Why is it showing me this? Okay, we click on button. You'll see right here in the settings of the button, it takes the email and then it goes to the next page, which is the thank you page. That is what it goes to, the thank you page. Now, if you want to know what the thank you page does, then you can actually click over here. You'll see that it has a thank you page, and then you'll have the OLSP terms. Everything else is set up right here, but the thank you page is the main thing right here. Okay. Now, just for you guys to understand, you can just dabble and click right here, and this is the thank you page. So you know that everything's in one space. Thank you page here is basically a redirect page. Okay, there's literally a GIF image that shows that it's loading. Congratulations, we're redirecting you now. Or you can click over here and it takes you to the actual page. So if I click on this button, you'll see that in the settings, there is a link. This link is to a rotator, which is connected to you, which is basically your how they track things. Or if you don't do anything, okay, even if there's no clicks, what happens is it times out and it takes the person directly, automatically redirects them to this URL. That's how this thank you page works. People enter and then they go to the thank you page. They stay for a few seconds and then they go to the offer, whatever the offer is. So that's how a redirect thank you page works. And it's pretty decent because obviously you're not going to get sales, but the whole purpose of this strategy is to build your email address and to get clicks, not sales so much, but clicks. Okay. So as the clicks go through, you're getting paid for those clicks. When do you get paid for those clicks? You basically get paid for those clicks, I believe, every 2 weeks. So if you have the Magick Link set up correctly in this manner, you will need to go to affiliate right here. I'm just going to go to transactions. So you can see right here on the bottom of the screen, guys, it says Magick Link click payment. These are from clicks to my Magick Link directly. That Magick Link is basically a link that rotates offers. And as it rotates offers, even if they don't buy, I get paid for the click, as you guys can see. And this can grow over time because as the traffic increases, you can get more clicks. So the way that you can do this, and this is what I talk about, is that you have your cold email list. Your email list goes back to your Magick Link. Now, where can you find this Magick Link? It is again shared in specifically the training right here. If you go to list building training, go again to list building training right here, TD Pages, list building, and Magick Link. We'll have to pause this video. Just give me a second. Right, pause. You'll see right here creating Megalink and Magick Link pages, and then traffic and queue. But you can find it, I believe it should be in creating Megalink and Magick Link pages. So when you go through this training right here, it will tell you exactly how to do it. But I will share with you right now. You just basically go to TD Pages, and within TD Pages itself, how do I get out of this? Just give me a second. Close. You can go to dashboard. Sorry, let's go to dashboard. You go to, I believe, growth hacks once it loads. So yeah, you go here to growth hacks, explore growth hacks. And if you go to Magick Link, read more, it'll take you to this page right here, which explains everything. And then it tells you what is the new link that is called the Magick Link. Okay, so this is a funnel, which is good, but it says right here, this is the redirect. Okay, so what I did was I basically imported this this template, and I use the link from this template to send out. When I'm sending an email out, I'm sending this link directly. So I'm skipping the you have to enter your email address because they've already entered their email address. So technically this right here is your Magick Link, and that is about it. So I hope you guys understood the process, and it's pretty step by step. All you do is use the traffic rotator, which you can find, by the way, in your products right here. I have this set up this way, guys. Literally, I bought the traffic rotator. The traffic rotator literally sends traffic here to this page on my campaign, and I will click on it, and we will even, let's say, if we want to look at different, let's look at this. Okay, traffic is 100%. Preview, edit, new variations. Let's say this is from 28th of August to the 3rd, right? Let's say we want to do this month. This month I've made, oh, this month is less, so sorry, last month. Okay, literally one whole entire month. You'll see that I had about 140 clicks coming in, 69 conversions, and 49% open rate. So as these impressions basically means that people who have come to my offer. 69 conversions means I've got about 70 emails now that I'm emailing out to. So my list, the first month that I had this live, built by 70 emails. The open rate is about 50%. Pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good. Now this month, however, if I go, you'll see that there are already 7 more emails and I got 14 impressions. The conversion rate is pretty decent for these pages with the traffic that I'm getting. But now imagine this month I get another 140 clicks, okay, and I get 70 emails again, which means I've made now 140 emails on my email list. So this is how my email list keeps growing, and I get also paid for the clicks that keep going to that link over there. Again, very easy to set up. If you're using an Aweber, if you're using Mega Builder or whatever it is, basically you will need this page right here where you can set it up on your email and it goes directly to that. All you need to do is import the campaign, import the template, and pretty much that is it. Honestly, there's not too many changes because within the template there is already a link that's there. Now most probably you will not, because it tracks well, it knows which IP is being used, so your IP will not be counted to those clicks. You get only clicks for unique IPs that come in. So that being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the description. I love this strategy, to be honest. Imagine I got paid $10 for just getting people clicks, and this can grow significantly, guys, literally significantly. The more you have it, the better it is. But at the end of the day, it's a way for me to filter the leads that are coming to my main offer, and that's why I love it. Try it out. Link is going to be in the description. You'll have a link to this page right here. If you want to go and start off with TD Pages directly, just click here. Okay, get access to TD Pages directly. That's it. Basically, if you want everything that we're talking about, as I said, just to give you an idea, 97. First buy the $7, then you get the 17. Ideally you'll need Aweber, so let's say Aweber costs you $20 a month, which it's around that much, plus 47 for traffic. And guess what, you in a total of $91. You have everything that you need to get started in your first month and start building an email list. This is why it said, how do I build a predictable affiliate income without going viral? I don't need to go viral for clicks. I'm gonna leave that there and let you think about it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Again, this is a strategy video, guys. Links are all in the description of the video. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.